if you don't stop playing around, I'm going to give you the boot. So giving someone the boot is not literally giving someone the boot, and this is my wife Tiffany's rain boot. But to give someone the boot means to kick them out. Get them out of your presence. So you might say, "You really smell. Get out of my car. You're kicking me out your car?" Yes, I'm giving you the boot. Hey, I've got some more advanced English phrases I want to teach you on today's English lesson. Well, hello all of my students. My name is Jay. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's get ready for some learning and laughter and dive into today's English lesson. I want to give you just a few advanced English phrases that you can practice using in your daily conversations. So let's say that a coworker, a family member, or a spouse asks you to do a particular task, and at the moment they ask you, you are not able to do what they request. So in order to communicate to them that you will do it, but you need some time to get yourself together, you might say, "Wait a moment." Now, instead of saying "wait a moment," you could just say, "Give me a second." Okay? Give me a second and I'll do it. Give me a second and I'll look that up on Google for you. Give me a second and I'll take the trash out. So instead of saying "I'll do it in a moment," just say "give me a second." Another one, you could say in that same situation, instead of saying "I'll take care of it," you could say "I'll handle it." Letting them know that you're not able to accomplish what they're asking at that very moment, but you're giving them the confidence that you will do what they're asking. So you'll say, "I'll handle it. Jay, can you do another English lesson?" "Wait a second, I'll handle it a little later." Okay? Now, let me give you another one. So when something is not that important to you, you may just simply say, "It's not that important." Okay? Now, a way that you can say that same phrase in a better way to convey that something is not that important is just saying, "It's no big deal." Okay? So it's no big deal that you didn't call me. It's fine. You know, I asked you to get back with me and you never did. I didn't? Yes, it's no big deal. Okay? So you're letting someone know that you're not bothered. It's not that important. Okay? It's no big deal. All right? Hurry up. Okay? One way my dad used to tell me to hurry up, he would say, "Shake a leg." And I remember as a child, I used to misunderstand what "shake a leg" meant. But it just simply means to get a move on. You need to get some hurry up about yourself. Okay? So shake a leg. One I've talked about here on the channel that sounds like shake a leg is break a leg. Now, break a leg means do your best. Shake a leg means hurry up. They sound somewhat similar, and of course they sound humorous, but they have different meanings. Shake a leg means hurry up, get a move on. Break a leg means to do your best, or I wish you well. Now, when you are impressed by something or by someone, say you are impressed by someone's outfit, you really like it, or someone may have told you something good that happened to them, and instead of saying "I'm impressed," you could just say, "Wow, I'm blown away. I can't believe you saved 15% on your car insurance." Okay, I'm really impressed, or I'm blown away. You mean to tell me you have watched 20 of my different lessons on my playlist? Oh my goodness, I am really blown away. That is very impressive. Okay, so instead of saying I'm impressed, you can simply say I am blown away. Okay, let me give you a few more. Now, sometimes you tell people that you don't remember something, okay? You forgot something. Instead of saying I don't remember, you can simply say it slipped my mind. Okay, sometimes we get so busy, sometimes we have schedules that don't allow us to give attention to certain things. And so you need to tell someone, you know what? Your birthday totally slipped my mind. Oh my goodness. It's our 15th anniversary tomorrow. It slipped my mind. Oh, it's going to be a fight in the house if you forget an anniversary. Okay? So when you forget someone's phone number, you forget someone's address, you can just say, that really slipped my mind. I forgot how to get to your house. It just slipped my mind. Okay? Finally, one that I use as I'm looking at my list, when you want someone to know that they surprised you, okay? You might actually tell them, wow, that caught me off guard. So let's say it was your birthday and someone got you a gift that you didn't expect to receive a gift from. So you might tell them, oh my goodness, I was caught off guard that you got me a birthday gift. Okay, so you're letting them know that something unusual happened, you're surprised, and you want them to know that by saying, you really caught me off guard. What, you got all A's on your report card? That's surprising. That caught me off guard. You're very intelligent. Okay, so these are some advanced English phrases that you can practice throughout the week in your daily conversations. I didn't use subtitles, but I want you to go back and listen to them, write them down, practice using them so they can become more familiar. I like to tell people to watch the videos at least twice so you can become familiar with what I'm trying to teach you. And I know it will help to improve your English comprehension, vocabulary, and fluency. Well, that's going to do it for today's lesson. As always, if today's lesson has been a help to you, be sure to share it with a friend. I hope you join me on my next English lesson. I'll see you then.